Hello friends, welcome to Academy. I hope you have learned the sound of vowels. Today I will tell you about the sound of magical E. Magical E changes the short sound of vowels to long sound. Let's learn some examples. B, eat, bit. The I was making short sound, and we can take the magical E. The I was making long sound. B, I, bite. And have you seen the magical E was sleeping? Okay, because the magical E was very tired. Let's learn some more examples. K, E, T, kit. The I was making short sound, and we can put the magical E. The I was making long sound. The magical E was very tired and he was sleeping, and magically was silent. The I was making long sound. The kite. M, a, t. The A was making short sound because the E was not there. Mat. We can take the magical E. Magical E was come here and change the sound of A. The sound of A is long. What is the long sound of A? A. Very good. The A was there and magical E was come her place and sleep there. The word is mate, mate, tap. The A was making short sound. We can put the magical E. Magical E was come there of A and change the sound of A. There is short sound, but there is long sound because E was there. The E was come there and change the sound of A and go magical, please. The magical E was sleeping. The A was making long sound. Take. Let's learn some more examples. Tub. The U was making short sound. We can put the magical E. The sound of U is long. What is the long sound of U? U. Tube. The magical E was sleeping and U was making long sound. Cut. Again U was making short sound because E was not there. And we can take the magical E. The U was making long sound and E was making sleeping, and there is no sound of E. Cute, because U was making long sound and there is short sound of U. इसलिए there is the cut, and again we can say cute. So friends, we have completed the sound of magical E. Magical E was come to vowels and changed the sound, short sound to long sound and go behind two words. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Practice at your home.